They told us AI would change the world, but they never told us how dark it could get. From mass surveillance to losing your job. This is the side of AI nobody wants to talk about. Welcome to InvisiChannel, where we uncover the unknown. In this video, we'll explore the hidden dangers of artificial intelligence, the stuff that's not trending, but should be. It started with cashiers and factory lines. Now it's coming for coders, writers, even artists. AI is replacing millions, fast. And the worst part? You might not even see it happening. AI doesn't just replace people, it watches them. Governments and companies are using it to track every click, every face, every move. Your privacy? Gone. And most of us gave it away willingly. Here's what they don't tell you. AI can be biased. It's trained on human data, and humans have flaws. That means decisions about loans, jobs, or even arrests can be wrong, and no one's held responsible. Deepfakes are getting scary, real. Anyone's voice, anyone's face, faked perfectly by AI. What happens when you can't tell what's real anymore? AI is powerful, but power comes with danger. The question is, will we control it, or will it control us? If you want to keep uncovering the unseen, subscribe to InvisiChannel.